Hi everyone, Rvnl, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, got another order. Yeah, you heard it right. Yesterday in my video, I discussed about the Rvnl order. Today again, this company got another order. Let's see what's the order all about. So Rvnl got this order from Central Railway. This time it is for Wardha Balarsha section in Nagpur division, right? And this time the order value of 132 crore, almost the same. But this is a separate order, new order. This is a fresh order and it is received today on 5:46 p.m. just some time back, right? And it's a breaking news for you guys. And this company is received almost 3 to 4 orders in span of last couple of days. Here is the news for the MOU with Middle East, and it happened on July 10th, right? 2 days before. And this is the another news. It happened on July 11th, yesterday itself. It is about the order which I have mentioned in my last video. Same 138 crore order, right? From the Central Railway, but the division is different. This was for Amla Nagpur section of Nagpur division, and this one was for Wardha Balarsa section. So two different order, 132 crore, 138 crore in span of 2 days. So this is the Rvnl stock all about. It's in the fire.